So far, I caught a fish on a Texas rig, silly putty, a drop shot with silly putty. Oh, fish on. Oh my God! Ladies and gentlemen, there is our beautiful Play-Doh. Okay, good morning everyone. So welcome to today's episode. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Follow the Action. If you don't know what Follow the Action is, if you see my sweatshirt right here, this is the one of many apparel that they make for fishing. It's probably the most affordable fishing apparel that I've ever seen on the market. The reason why I really partnered up with them was I love their products. They're comfy, they're not cheap, they're affordable. And I think that's amazing because a lot of things in the fishing industry, it's not really affordable. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of this apparel, I'll leave a code right here on the screen. It'll save you 15% off your entire order. But yeah, I own a bunch of stuff by them. I'm wearing a shirt underneath this from them. I don't know, I own so much from them. They're just an unbelievable company. They have great customer service, which is always key, and they just make good products. So if you guys want to go check them out, I will label the link down below, Follow the Action, so you don't have trouble figuring out what link is what. So it'll be labeled Follow the Action. Use my code 15% off the entire website. But I gotta take my kayak off my car, and then once we get to the pond, I'm gonna explain the video idea a little bit more because it's probably a little confusing, but I'll explain it a little bit more once we walk about a mile to the pond. Okay, I'm just like a little bit out of breath, but we made it to the pond and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're working with. So this isn't like the original silly putty, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It comes in a different package, but this is all that I can find. So we have silly putty and we have Play-Doh. Two completely different consistencies. They feel different and they mold very differently. So I got both to work with them. I feel like silly putty is definitely gonna work a little bit better, but I got Play-Doh just in case. Fishing, silly putty, and Play-Doh. That's like my whole childhood right here. One last thing before we get onto the water. I'm gonna do a head cam. I think that's what it's called, besides of a chest cam. I have a head mount and I've had it for a while and never use it. And I think it might be a little bit better of an angle when I'm on the kayak. So I don't know, Jake keeps telling me to do it. So I have one and I'm gonna try it. So this is like a test trial run to see how it's gonna look with it on my head. So it's time to get out into the water and see if this crazy idea is gonna work. All right, let's start with putty. We don't have like the best colors, but you know, that's okay. Okay, see, there we go. Not bad. It's kind of like a pink trick worm. Same exact way we would do a Texas rig. Thread it on there. That doesn't look that bad. This is like a pink Senko, right? And we have different colors. This could possibly work. Just a simple Texas rig. All right, here we go. If I catch a fish on this, you guys just have to like the video because this is just absurd. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm gonna flip some brush piles with this. It literally, I don't know if you guys can see that well, but like it doesn't like, it just looks like a Senko, like a pink Senko in the water, right? I don't think it looks like bad, you know? Like this could be a lot worse, but it's not. No way. Oh, he spit it, he spit it. I had a bite, I had a bite. I had a bite. I swear on everything. Oh my God, boys, we might be onto something. He stretched it out. Look, you can see the teeth mark. You can see the teeth marks. This is sick. This is sick. I haven't even been here. Yeah, I've been here like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And I just got hammered. This is gonna be such a rewarding bite when it happens. Let's try red. Ooh, look, see, this looks like a real worm color because it's red, but it's not really red. This could be good. Wow, that kind of looks good. So when I work it like a jerk bait, it actually looks decent. Oh my god! No way! On the Play-Doh. Oh my god, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh god, hold on. We're in a pickle. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there is our beautiful Play-Doh. And we hooked this guy right in the mouth. Right in the tongue. And that is what happens when you use Play-Doh. All I was doing was working it like a jerkbait. And he annihilated it. Holy. Okay, thank you for finally eating my silly putty. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Anything down your throat? Nope, you're looking clean. All right. Ow, don't bite me like that. Oh my god. Okay. Who's the one that ate the silly putty? You, but thank you for biting. Okay, so this red, you know, it's supposed to be red, but it obviously looks more like a natural color. I don't know if you guys heard me say like 2 seconds before I got bit. I mean, that's dramatic, but I was like, oh wow, if I like jerk it like a jerkbait, it actually looks pretty decent. And that's exactly what I did to get that bite. So I'm gonna try to work it like that. And if the bite doesn't pick up like at all, and that was just kind of like a whatever bite that we just got, then I'm gonna try to put this on either a drop shot. I mean, we just have a lot of options to put this on, but here's our Play-Doh. It's fun to catch fish when it's like in a weird way. We're gonna go with, this is called metallic. So it's like a silver. Got one. Got one. Don't come off. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, another fish on the silly putty. Look how pretty this fish is. Do you see all the lateral lines? Wow, that's a pretty fish. And look at the silly putty. That's freaking awesome. Ooh, calm down. Wow, this fish is really, really pretty though. I don't know if you guys can see. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, 2 fish on the silly putty. Let's go. Wow, thank you. Thank you for splashing me. So, where'd the silly putty go? Well, the silly putty is just gone. I don't know. I put it somewhere in my kayak. But we do have a green silly putty that might work, but I'm really digging this metallic. Damn it. Well, just got hung up, if you couldn't tell. And my silly putty is stuck to that tree, and I can't get to that back there, so we are left with 2 colors. I'm gonna try the green. All right, we're gonna use this neon green. It says that it's neon, and yes, I'm throwing a drop shot on my bait casting gear. Oh, that looks really good actually. It might look better than the Texas rig. On the silly putty. Let's go, let's go. Come here, come here. Oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, no. Oh, sweet. Okay, So I put like the smallest piece. Look at that. Another silly putty fish. This is so sick. All right, everyone get a nice view of how pretty this little guy is. We gotta appreciate all the fish, even though, you know, he wouldn't even push a pound. Just kidding, he might push a pound. Woo, there he goes. All right, so what I did for that fish is I took a really small piece and then nose hooked it just like that, and that was it. And then I obviously, you know, smushed it a little bit, so that was it. That's what I just caught that fish on. So far I caught a fish on a Texas rig, silly putty, a drop shot with silly putty. Pretty crazy. Oh, fish on. Oh, I see my silly putty floating in the water. Okay. Nope. 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 No. Okay, hooked perfect in the roof of the mouth. That's what we like to see. Another fish on the silly putty. Like, this is real life and this is happening, and I can't believe this is actually working. This fish is pretty cold, but ooh, one of the warmest fish I felt in a while. That's for sure. All right, you're feisty. Shrew. Okay, so we just got off the water. The silly putty worked. It wasn't coming off the hook like easily. I lost like one little piece in the water when I was fishing, and that was it. Like, none of the silly putty came off when I hooked up or landed them. It was like just that one time. So it worked surprisingly well. So I think it was a pretty good idea. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty impressed, but nonetheless, I had so much fun out there. The wind is starting to pick up, and the bite definitely shut off a lot. We had like 3 bites back to back, and then it just kind of shut off, but that happens. Nothing you can really do about that. But anyways, make sure you guys go check out Follow the Action, link down below. They help support my channel. So it's time for me to head home, load the kayak. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys next time.